Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 real vegetable idioms you'll use every day. Number 1. She knows her onions. It means very knowledgeable or skilled in a particular area. Example, my friend Kim knows her onions when it comes to teaching English idioms. Number 2. Couch potato. It means a lazy person who spends a lot of time sitting and watching TV or online videos. Example, at the weekend he turns into a couch potato and watches YouTube all day. Number 3. Dangle a carrot. It means to tempt someone with a reward or incentive. Example, the teacher dangled a carrot by promising a fun quiz if they finished the exercise early. Number 4. Carrot and stick. It means a strategy that uses both rewards and punishments to encourage behavior. Example, parents often use the carrot and stick approach to motivate their kids to study. Number 5. Go to seed. It means to become neglected, run down, or to waste one's potential. Example, that old garden has gone to seed. Nobody has taken care of it for years. Number 6. In a pickle. It means in a difficult or awkward situation. Example, he was in a pickle after forgetting his speech. Number 7. Small potatoes. It means something or someone that is not important or not worth worrying about. Example, don't waste time on that rude comment. It's just small potatoes. Number 8. Bean counter. It means a person who is very focused on money, costs, or numbers. Example, the manager is such a bean counter that he checks every tiny expense in the budget. Number 9. As green as a cucumber. It means very inexperienced or naive. Example, when she started her YouTube channel, she was as green as a cucumber, but she learned fast from her mistakes. Number 10. As red as a beet. It means extremely red in the face, usually from embarrassment or anger. Example, when she realized she'd called the teacher mom on camera, she went as red as a beet. That's it for today's vegetable idioms. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, learning English should be fun, not a pickle. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.